this froe for Christmas. It was kind of a present I gave to Matt, but it was really for myself. It's used to split a wood with. Now I don't want to destroy any of my nice mallets on this froe, because whatever you use to bang on here is really going to destroy it. So I want to create a really big, hefty, rustic kind of club that is not too precious, you know, you can really beat it. So let's go ahead and pick out a log. So ideally I want something with a bit of a straight grain, something relatively large. Now I really don't think you can beat using a chisel when you want to remove a lot of material. I actually carved this one out the other day. I think it turned out a little wimpy, a little small, which is why I want to make another one. When I carved this one out, I mostly used an axe. Sat in front of the fire, and it was really nice and relaxing. So using an axe is a lot of fun, but when you want to remove a lot of material, I really think the chisel is the way to go. So I got a kind of a rustic shape at this point, and now I'm going to move on to the draw knife and kind of smoothen it out, and also tackle this head a little bit. It's kind of funny when you do something like this. It's like, how nice do you make it? Where do you actually stop? Because the concept here is that it's a rustic mallet. The whole idea is to beat it up. So I think it's ready. It is really nice and heavy. Really has a lot of heft to it. Compared to this, I mean, this is like super light. Haha. I'm telling you, this one is so much better than the other one. This one has a nice heft. It's really great. Easy to split the log comparatively. Of course, some logs want to be split and some logs don't. You know, sometimes I really enjoy these kinds of projects that are not too long, too complicated. You get to really get your hands dirty, use some hand tools. It's not for you. You wanted to get it, didn't you? You are the biggest baby, aren't you? It's like, I know it's supposed to be like meant to be destroyed, but I hope it lasts for a little while because I really enjoy using it.